Hello, in this video I've tried to show you how to upgrade this 9.4-inch black and white LCD screen from one CCFL to our UB35 series LED kits. Our LED kit including one LED strips, one LED drivers including two wires, black and red. So black is negative, red is positive. The input voltage is between 12 to 24 volts. Okay, so this is 9.4. This is made by Casio. It's a really old display. MD800TT10-C1. So this one, the original lamp was mounted vertically. So we're gonna mount our lamp like this. Okay. So first we had to remove this clip. 3 clips. Then take the original CCFL lamp out. Okay, I just bend those metal clips like straight. So let's see how we're going to take it out. And also there's a clip on the side. So basically you can just take it out like this. Okay, so they're out. So the lamp was mounted inside the sheets, but this sheet we can just take it out like this. Okay. 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 You can reuse it. You don't need to reuse it. Okay. Okay. So we take the lamp out. Now we're gonna put the LED strip like this, right back, and then you can put this one out, or you can just cut it. So I managed to put the strip back right here, same place, and then make sure it's LED strip like face to the plexiglass, and then we're gonna put this plastic. Oh, the wire was come out from here. Okay. Okay. For this case, you don't really need to peel off a double-sided tip underneath that LED strips. So we just put it back like this. Yep. Oh, I see, like this. Yep. Then we're gonna bend the metal clip back again, and then we could. I have a machine here. I could test it. Okay. So I have a machine here that I could test it. So just finished the install lamp. LED. So I have a kind of driver. Here is a 24 volt. I'm gonna get ready. And I also have a 12 volt on this test machine here. So let me apply 12 volt first. Shut off the light. And I'm gonna flip over. Now I'm gonna turn on the 24 volt supply. Okay, see this? This is a very old screen, but so it's very little angles, weird angles. Okay, thank you for watching.